Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create lightning effect on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add black background to my timeline. I'm going to go to the stock material and I'm going to search for black background. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one guys, and I'm going to add lightning effect to this background. I'm going to go to the effects menu right here, and then we're going to search for the lightning. You can go to the video effect and then you can search for lightning effect like this. Okay, and there will be some effects for you guys, and you can choose the lightning crack or lightning. I'm gonna try this one. Make sure you have good internet connection to download the effect, and after the effect has been downloaded, you can add it to your timeline like this. And then here we'll be able to customize the lightning effect. We can customize the twist, the filters, speed, and also the sticker. And wait guys, I'm going to increase the speed and also the filters as well. Okay, and let's take a look what we have. All right, I'm going to increase the twist as well guys. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create lightning effect on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.